they thought. We love Sweet Girl. Filling out his shoes very well. And there's my old brother bunny with Daddy. Willie, Con's in the house resting. We want to stay in there today. Falby's got her hold of Falba. Falba. How big's your hole with Ocean? Falby buries herself deep. Hey, girl. Hey, my girl. Hi, Falba. Natty time. Oh, you natty. You so natty. She is digging a hole to China. Go, girl, go. Go, Falby, go. Put a little face down in there. It's amazing how deep she puts her face in it. Ooh, you nasty. Swimming. First time in the water. Look at her. Go, girl, go. Go, Falby. Willie. And here comes little Falby running out. Like Willie. Hey, Falby. There's BB coming over there. Hey, Falby. Falba. She can see it. Oh, she's coming after Willie. She's going to trip on Wee-Wee's. Everybody here's Willie. Gone. What is it? I know. It's giving your headache. I bet he is. Falba. Falba. Oh, good girl. Good girl, Falba. Good girl. Good girl. And then we have sweet little Wee-Wee. He's not a digger. He's just a lounger in the shade at the beach. That's the Wee-Wee. That's our Wee-Wee. Not real good at the camera. Falba, how deep you going, sis? Falba. Look at her. God, it's so funny. Sissy is playing in the sand. Look at her, she's a sand monster. Ooh, she's upside down. She's upside down. Upside down in the... Falba, loving the sand. She's made herself a big hole. Never seen anything like it. She's like a badger, honey badger. Falba, hey sis. Little Falbito. Get her little harness on. What you got in your mouth, Falby? Falby, what you got in your mouth? Falby. Good girl. He's scared of the water. Shoes all over for a Willie. Come on. He's a little beach doggy there, no doubt about it. Falby. Where's she going? Up to the umbrella. Falby knows it. Falba. Willie. Falby is just gnawing on you on the beach. Come on, Willie. Willie, come here. Come on, fat Willie. Come here. Willie. Come on. Come on, buddy. Falba. Easy. Easy. Gosh, we're worried about Willie. Being easy with her. She just like a little hellion on him. Poor little thing. Willie. Uh-huh. Come on. Willie, come on. Alright, boo-boo. Make the little monster stop. Falby, we're chewing on the lead. We cannot have you chewing on the lead. Look at him, Nene. Falby, be easy, Willie's. Hey, Falba, leave him alone. Falba. Falba, Willie's going to have a piece of you in a minute.
Stop it. No. Boy.
Chair. Come on, Falby. Oh, she just sat down in your chair. Look at her sitting in the chair. She said, I just got out my chair. What'd she so fast? I can't keep up with her. Falby. Cape Hatteras, Soundside. Cape Hatteras. Connie David hanging in the water. There's Willie crying in the background. He just cries. Oh, baby says I'm going to meander out now. I'm going to get out of the water. Oh, you going to roll like you like. Oh, there's Wee Wee. Wee Wee. Let's see Falby down here wide open. Falba. Just wide open. Falby. Falby. Tell them about how wide open you are, 24/7. Falba. Fabulous. Falba. Wee wee! Rocky! Oh, hey girl. Hey, Kiki. That would be Wee Wee. Willie. Willie. Hey, baby. You wait, boy. And there's the biggie.
What you want to do, buddy? What you want to do?
Oh, you see the wild one pulling like a little wild horse. Jumping to get to him. Oh. Daddy got you. What about that? Baby, what about that? Say my daddy got you. Ready to swim. Look at her like a little wild buck. Oh, baby's thinking he might go. Back out. Abby's a little beaver. Good girl, Falby. Good girl swimming. Yay! Look who's coming. David. Little Falby. Wearing them little legs out. Ooh. A little over 11 years old. And little Falby is 12 years old. Lima Bean. Willie. Hey, whoa, whoa, mama. My boy, look at big eyes. Willie. Oh, baby need loving. Bye bye. Oh, daddy's yelling at the baby. Oh. That's what Con says to daddy. I got something for you. I got some. Yes, little darling. Right behind you. Right behind you. She's so tired of playing on the beach all the last 2 days. I had to grab Falby. Scared she's gonna get out in the waves and wash away. Drop.